The 2015 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, power retractable mirrors, heated mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, hill start assist, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather upholstery, steering wheel controls, heated steering wheel, heated rear seat, auxiliary audio input, climate control automatic, steering wheel audio controls, push-button start, cooled seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.